Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hardtravel.com and I'm currently on the beautiful brand new Norwegian Encore. So right now I'm in a midship mini suite with a connecting balcony. Let me show you what it's all about. So right when you come in, you've got your temperature controls here. You've got make up your room, do not disturb, so you don't have to go out of the room to do that. I like that. You do have the key card right here. Just keep in mind you always have to keep a key in there in order to keep the electricity on in the room. And then you got your light switches here, and I'll take you into the bathroom. So this is one of the big upgrades. In fact, it is the big upgrade of the mini suite as far as I'm concerned. So you have a much larger bathroom than you're going to have on one of the standard rooms on board the ship. So right here you've got your commode, you've got a double vanity. It doesn't have two separate sinks, but you do have the two faucets here and a much larger vanity than you're going to have in a balcony stateroom. Little bit of storage here, not a ton. You got some storage underneath. I do love that you have a drawer in this stateroom so that you can actually put stuff away completely. That's one of my pet peeves when cruising. You'll notice you got your shower over here. I'm a pretty big guy, I'm 6'6". This is a lot bigger than the shower in the balcony staterooms and below. Those categories, you got a larger shower head as well, and then also the extra nozzles here. They've switched over to basically the refillable soap, so you get your body wash and shampoo that are in here. I think everybody's kind of doing that. All the hotels in the Marriott chain are doing it as well, so it's something that's pretty normal now. Okay, so as soon as you head out of the bathroom, on my right-hand side here is a door. So this would open up on both sides, so you can connect them together. Perfect for a family traveling together, two couples traveling together, friends. Okay, so continue on in. You're gonna see over here you have the closet storage. So this is gonna be in the same place in all the mini suites. You've got the, you could basically have shelving here. You've got all your hang-up storage on the inside. There we go. So all the hangers. You do have your robes here, which is nice. Okay, so there's two configurations. Sometimes this is over next to the balcony, and sometimes the bed is over here. So just keep that in mind that there's two different configurations with this room. This is set up to take 4 passengers, so you could put another one here. You could put one that would drop down from the ceiling here, and then 2 over in the bed that can be separated or put together. So over here, you've got a Mr. Coffee Maker. Underneath, you're gonna have a little chair area so you can sit there to turn it into a vanity, get ready in the evenings. You've got 3 US ports, which is really nice, and there's actually a Euro port there as well that's for the coffee maker, so that may be something that you want to bring an extra converter for. I always do that so that I can utilize all the plugs in the room. You've got your phone here, your mini fridge underneath. There we go. You've got storage underneath here. There we go, quite a bit. It goes pretty far back. Storage underneath here as well. Very tiny amount of storage here, and then you've got your TV with the remote. You have access to your onboard account, checking out room service menus. All that stuff can be done on the TV with the remote. So as we head over next to the bed, you've got a reading lamp here. Next to the bed on both sides, I really like that. You have a USB plug, so if you're charging your phone at night, you can just plug it in right there. Got your lamp, and then throughout the whole room, you have this LED backlighting here to kind of soften the mood, especially in the evening. I'm gonna continue on. Beautiful art like you're gonna have in all the rooms on board. Then over on this side of the bed, once again, you have a USB port. You've got your reading lamp here, the lamp, and then the backlight. And then also you have a little bit of storage on the side as well. The beds are set high enough so that you can get your bags underneath for the most part, which I really like because you can get them out of the way completely. Okay, so now we're out on the balcony. So for me personally, one of my favorite things in the entire world is to sit out here, have a nice cup of coffee in the morning. You've got that beautiful ocean breeze coming in, and it's a nice, private, relaxing space. So to me, that's the whole reason why you get the balcony or the mini suite is to have this exact experience. I hope you enjoyed this tour of a midship mini suite on board the Norwegian Encore. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. We'd love for you to join us on our upcoming videos. We have a ton of Norwegian content out there and a ton coming up, as well as from other cruise lines.